Go.
Hi, and welcome to the future!
The wasteful tendencies and general disregard of our planet's environment has led to the steady degradation in the health of our natural ecosystems. As our landfills reached maximum capacities, we began to run out of places to put our garbage. This left our society with nowhere else to store our solid waste except our own backyards. As garbage began to accumulate near and around urban populations, a collapse in societal order brought everyday life as it once was to a grinding halt.
Many popular films from our great-grandparents' time illustrated possible scenarios of what life would be like today, the year 2118, but sadly our ancestors ignored the warnings and no preventable actions were taken, resulting in the climactic conditions we see today.
Things looked bleak for Joe, but they were even worse for mankind. As Joe and Rita lay dormant, the years passed, and mankind became stupider at a frightening rate.
One of the largest factors which led to the downfall of society was the collapse of our agricultural system. As the growing population required more and more food, phosphorus mining steadily increased until we depleted the finite resource, resulting in less crop productivity or industrial farms. As soil nutrients were depleted at an alarming rate, desertification of unstable farmland caused widespread famine even in the industrial nations such as the United States.
The wealthy became even more wealthy as they controlled the means of survival which the rest of us depended on. Unfortunately, humans are greedy by nature, and most of the shrinking supply of resources remained within the control of the economic 1%, leaving the rest of us to survive off their scraps.
A variety of pollutant influxes reduced the health of freshwater ecosystems, contaminated our groundwater tables, and decreased the amount of potable water available for human use. Widespread water shortages forced humans to utilize polluted water sources for their day-to-day needs. This resulted in the spread of waterborne diseases as people were exposed to industrial toxins, aquatic parasites, and diseases such as malaria, which proliferate in areas with large amounts of stagnant water. Increased levels of CO2 in the atmosphere led to more acid rainfall on a global scale, which further expedited the decline in both aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem health. Since humans are a part of our Earth's ecosystem, our overall health was affected as well.
When worlds collide, you can run,
but no can hide.
When worlds collide, you'll laugh so hard you'll swear you died. When worlds collide, hold my hand, I'll be your guide. When worlds collide, buckle up for the sweetest ride, and prepare to have your mind blown wide. When worlds collide, when worlds collide.
When worlds collide, it's a curious thing. Bet you never heard a robot and a caveman sing. In his metal chest are some working parts. How is that different from my beaten heart?